Hello there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore an exciting world where creativity, woodworking, home decor, and business opportunities come together. If you love working with wood, creating beautiful things with your hands, or dreaming about turning your woodworking skills into a profitable business, you are in the right place. In this video, we will discover amazing woodcraft ideas that are not only beautiful and functional but also have great potential for modern home decoration and small-scale business. Wood has a unique ability to transform an ordinary space into something warm, elegant, natural, and inviting. With the right design, even simple pieces of wood can become attractive furniture, wall decorations, shelves, tables, organizers, lighting features, or unique decorative items. The best part is that many of these projects do not require expensive materials. With creativity, careful craftsmanship, and attention to detail, affordable or reclaimed wood can be transformed into products that look much more valuable than their original cost. Whether you are an experienced woodworker, a beginner learning your first woodworking skills, or someone searching for a profitable side business, these ideas can inspire you to start creating. You don't always need a large workshop or expensive machinery to produce something valuable. Sometimes, a great idea, basic tools, good finishing, and patience are enough to turn simple materials into products customers will love. The main idea behind these projects is simple: create something useful, beautiful, and desirable. Modern customers are increasingly interested in home decor that has character and personality. Handmade wooden products can offer something mass-produced furniture often cannot: a unique design, natural texture, handmade character, and a personal story. Imagine taking a few pieces of reclaimed wood and turning them into a stylish coffee table. Think about transforming small leftover boards into floating shelves, plant stands, wall organizers, serving trays, bedside tables, or decorative frames. These projects can give unused materials a second life while creating products with real value. One of the biggest advantages of woodworking is the flexibility it offers. You can create products for different customers and different budgets. Small decorative products can attract customers looking for affordable home accessories, while larger furniture pieces can target customers who are willing to pay more for unique handmade designs. Functional furniture is especially attractive because customers are not only buying decoration, they are buying something they can actually use. A beautifully designed wooden shelf can organize a room while becoming part of the decor. A stylish coffee table can serve a practical purpose while becoming the centerpiece of a living room. A wooden storage box can solve a storage problem while adding a natural and elegant appearance. Another exciting opportunity is combining wood with other materials. Wood can be paired with metal, glass, rope, concrete, or other decorative materials to create modern industrial-style furniture. This combination can give handmade products a premium appearance and help them stand out in a competitive market. Reclaimed and scrap wood can also become an important part of the business model. Instead of throwing away small pieces of wood, you can design products specifically around them. Unique shapes, natural cracks, knots, weathered surfaces, and different wood textures can actually make handmade products more attractive. What looks like waste material to one person can become valuable design material to another. If your goal is to make money from woodworking, remember that profitability is not only about making beautiful products. You also need to think about material costs, labor, finishing, transportation, packaging, and the time required to complete each project. A good woodworking business combines attractive design with efficient production and smart pricing. Photography and presentation are also extremely important. A beautiful wooden product can attract more customers when it is presented professionally. Good lighting, clean backgrounds, attractive room settings, and clear photographs can make a major difference when promoting your products online. Social media and online platforms can also help small woodworking businesses reach customers far beyond their local area. You can show your audience the entire transformation from raw wood to finished product. People love seeing the creative process, especially when the final result looks completely different from the starting material. The most important thing is to develop your own style. Don't simply copy what everyone else is making. Study popular designs, understand what customers want, and then add your own creativity. A recognizable style can help your products become memorable and make your woodworking brand stronger. Start small, learn continuously, improve your craftsmanship, and gradually increase the quality and value of your products. One small project can become a portfolio. A portfolio can become customers. Customers can become a business. And a simple woodworking skill can eventually become a valuable source of income. So, as you watch these amazing woodcraft ideas, don't just think about what looks beautiful. Think about what could be useful, what people might want in their homes, what materials you already have available, and how you could create your own version. Sometimes the next great business idea is hidden inside a simple piece of leftover wood. Thank you so much for watching and spending your valuable time with us. We hope these amazing woodcraft ideas have inspired you to look at woodworking in a completely different way, not only as a hobby, but also as a creative opportunity and potentially a profitable business. If you enjoyed these projects, please support the channel by giving this video a like, sharing it with someone who loves woodworking, and subscribing for more creative furniture, woodworking, recycling, and home decor ideas. We would also love to hear from you in the comments. Which wooden project would you like to build first? Do you prefer modern furniture, rustic decor, reclaimed wood projects, small decorative items, or functional furniture? Your ideas and comments can inspire future videos and help us create projects that are more useful for our community. Remember, you don't need to start with a perfect workshop or expensive equipment. Start with what you have, learn from every project, and keep improving. Every experienced woodworker started somewhere, and every beautiful piece of furniture begins with a simple idea. Keep creating, keep building, and never underestimate what you can make with your own hands. A piece of ordinary wood can become a beautiful product can become a business, and a small business can become a dream come true. Thank you again for being part of our woodworking community. We truly appreciate your support, your comments, and your creativity. Stay inspired, stay creative, and keep turning simple wood into beautiful ideas. We'll see you in the next project.